In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up order confirmation emails in Omnisend. First, open your browser and search for Omnisend. From the results, click the official Omnisend website to go straight to the platform. On the home page, choose Login and sign in to your account. Once you're in your dashboard, navigate to the Automation tab. This is where you create and manage the automated messages your store sends to customers. Click Create Workflow to begin. In the template library that appears, type Order Confirmation into the search bar, or filter by the transactional category to find the pre-built option designed for receipts. Select that template, then click Customize Workflow to enter the editor. For most direct e-commerce integrations, such as Shopify, WooCommerce, or BigCommerce, the trigger is usually preset to Paid for Order or Order Placed. This means the workflow starts as soon as a purchase is completed. Take a moment to confirm the trigger matches how your store records successful orders. Next, look for the delay block and set it to Immediate. Order confirmations double as receipts, so sending them right away builds trust and reduces support tickets from customers checking their purchase details. Now click the email block in the flow diagram and choose Edit Content to open Omnisend's drag-and-drop builder. Use dynamic order blocks, so each email automatically includes the right information for each buyer. Make sure you include the order number, the order date, and the total, so the essentials are front and center. Add the product list block to display item images, names, quantities, and prices. This helps customers quickly verify what they bought. Include the shipping and billing addresses to confirm where the order is going and how it was billed. As you design, keep your brand logo, colors, and footer consistent, and write a clear subject line like, "Your order is confirmed," to set expectations. You can also adjust the sender name and reply to address so customers know how to reach you if they need assistance. When your content looks good, save your edits, then click Publish Changes or start the workflow to make it live. From now on, the workflow will send an immediate confirmation whenever the trigger conditions are met. After enabling it, keep an eye on your first few orders to ensure the dynamic blocks populate correctly, and refine any wording for clarity and compliance with your store policies. And that's it. You've set up order confirmation emails in Omnisend, ready to deliver timely, accurate receipts to every customer.